Hello, what's up mga guys? So for today's video, wala tayong magawa. So ang gagawin natin, release lang tayo ng banyo. Wala lang. Pagsipagan tayo for today's video. So ito nga pala yung ginagawa ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yan! Sisimulan natin. Ayan yung makulit kong anak. Si Makulit.
You.
Yeah. So,
Mommy, what happened?
nothing. Mommy just cleaning the sink.
Sink? Why?
Because it's dirty, baby.
I'm so clean too.
Later, you can help mommy.
Here, okay.
But right now, it's just me. Okay, sisimulan natin siya.
Mommy, I will clean with you.
Ayan, nalinis ko na rin yung salamin namin. What happened?
You're not gonna help me. You're so bad.
You're bowed. You're gonna help me later, okay? 1 second. Yan, ibabalik lang natin itong mga tinanggal natin dito.
Mommy say, dum dum dum.
Ay, si Makulit. Let.
Dum dum dum.
Balik lang natin yung dyan. Yan ang ang plants nga pala ng aking mood rebels. Diba? Kahit sa loob ng bahay, naglalagay siya niyan.
Stop it.
Stop it! My goodness. Okay. Kamusta? Wow, tari kumikinang. Kumikinang. Parang ikaw na nanonood ng video ko. Charot.
And now you have 40 minutes.
What happened?
You have 40 minutes.
I have 14 minutes to clean.
Uh-huh.
There's a timer. Do I get paid for it? Nothing, right?
1, 2,
Spray lang tayo.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Somebody is counting me.
9, 10, 11,
God.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Clean.
21,
In
22,
the bathroom.
23,
La 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 la.
24, 25, 26, 37, 38, 39, 30, 11, 12.
Normally guys, I'm not using the gloves because nandito naman ako sa bahay namin. At banyo naman namin ito. Kaya okay lang sa. Kahit wala akong gloves.
47, 48, 49, 42, 49,
Spray.
43, 44, 45, 43, 47, 48, 49,
Wala akong magawa. Kaya tayo ay maglilinis ng
2,
bahay.
5, 6. The timer's running out.
OMG. Somebody's timing. Give me a timer here. Right? You wanna help me guys, but I said later, right? You wanna help me, right? But later, right?
And the timer's not. The timer's opening up.
The timer's what?
The timer's opening up.
Oh my.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Go. Kus ng kubeta.
The timer's running out.
The time is running out. Almost done. Sa akin kasi, sino ba sa inyo dito? Siyempre, kapag gagamit tayo ng banyo, di ba gusto
The
naman natin
timer's
malinis?
running out.
Saka
Hurry
kapag may
up.
mga bisita tayo, unang tinitingin dyan.
The timer's running
Ay,
out.
ang
Hurry
bango.
up.
Ang ingay ng aking assistant.
The timer's running out. Hurry up. Woo.
My assistant is so noisy. Alright! Wow! Smell good, right? Does it smell good?
Let me see.
Smell good?
Mm,
Yes or no?
yes.
Okay. Nga, ibabalik natin ang mga dapat ibalik.
The timer's running out. 1, 2. Bye. Woo.
Ayan. Napakakalat din yan. Ayusin din natin yan. Ang stante na yan. Right, babe?
Bye-bye. Woo.
Ay, si Makulit.
Bye-bye. Woo.
Si Makulit.
Bye-bye. Woo.
Bye. Oh, right.